Now let's see the statement of FTA. Every composite number can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic has many applications, both within mathematics and in other fields. In general, every composite number x can be written as x is equals to p1 into p2 into p3 into p4, and it can be go on till pn. So where p1, p2, p3, p4 and pn are prime numbers and written in the ascending order. Writing the prime factors in ascending order makes the factorization unique in nature. Now let's look at some examples. So let's consider the composite number 2352. When it is prime factorized, we can write it as 2 into 1176. 1176 can be written as 2 into 588. 588 can be factorized as 2 into 294. 294 can be factorized as 2 into 147. 147 can be factorized as 3 into 49. 49 can be written as 7 into 7, and 7 can be written as 7 into 1. The prime factorization 2352 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7, which is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 into 7 square.